Our interior detailing has revolutionized the art of car detailing. In my opinion, it sets a new standard for excellence in the industry. We got several packages to pick from. We have a hand wash in the back, which is basically it's a hand wash on the outside, wipe down with a quick vacuum on the inside. We have our ultimate wash, which is probably our most popular wash. We do a outside wash with a hand wax. We do a nice deep cleaning on the inside, get all the cracks and crevice, door jams, cup holders, center console, the stains that you have that need to get out. Our next package is our interior detail package, would be more along the lines of shampooing, deep interior cleaning, conditioning, things of that nature, basically making it as like new as we possibly can. For the more challenging stains, we have another option. That's where a shampooer or a carpet extractor would come into play, where we're using heat, steam, basically anything we possibly can to get that stain out without damaging the fabric or the leather at all. Experience the difference with our interior detail cleaning package. Book your appointment today.